What up, world? It is Boss Man Q with QKB Fitness, and today we are gonna roll. I don't mean roll. I mean like bob and weave roll, shoulder roll. There you go. All right, so get in your boxing stance. Now, from your boxing stance, you're gonna slightly turn your shoulders to your dominant side, roll to your lead. All right, so you're gonna make like a U shape. So it's gonna be boom, U. Okay? Slight turn. Make sure you keep your hands up. U underneath. Okay? One more time. Slight turn. U underneath. Alright? Now, we're gonna do it in the opposite direction, okay? So what we're gonna do is slight turn. Make sure you keep your hands up. Roll underneath. Alright? Again, slight turn to your lead, U shape to your dominant. Slight turn to your lead, U shape to your dominance. Alright? Same thing with the southpaws. Here, turn to your lead side, U shape to your dominant. Keep your hands up. Turn to your lead side, U shape to your dominant. Now, we're gonna go in reverse, all right? Turn to dominant, U to lead side. Again, slight turn to dominant, U shape to lead side. One more time. Slight turn to dominant, U shape to your lead. All right, now we're just gonna work on some roll motions. Make sure you practice those, okay? Yeah. All right, make sure you practice. Practice make permanent, all right? Boss out.